5 things you can consume while intermittent fasting. The last one is a powerful tool that makes intermittent fasting way easier. It's what I personally use to shut off food noise every single day. Number 1, water. Staying hydrated while fasting throughout the day is crucial. Number 3, black coffee or herbal teas. These are fine as long as there's no milk, cream, or sugar in it. Those will break your fast, so keep your drinks black. Number 3, electrolytes. When you're fasting, your minerals get depleted, so it's very important to replenish them. You can use a clean electrolyte mix or a good quality sea salt. Number 4, sparkling water. This is good when you feel like something fizzy but without breaking your fast. And number 5, a chlorogenic acid tea. It keeps your blood sugar steady so you don't have low blood glucose crash. It also stimulates your GLP-1 naturally by up to 70%. So it makes fasting super simple by turning off all the sugar noises and cravings. It also quickens autophagy. It is third-party tested and it has clean ingredients. It also has a delicious taste.